Alright guys, welcome back to this video. So in this video I want to show you how to take partials using the Bitunix exchange. So as you can see right here, I have a trade that is currently running. This is for the LPT trade, and I hope you took this trade. You can see right here with the 20x leverage we are up by 1,400% plus already. So I've taken partials. This is the third time I want to take the partials, and I decided to share this. Okay, I want to record this so that you too can know how to close your trade, because initially my full TP for this trade was around $10. So if I've closed it at that $10, I would have missed all of this massive profit that you see right now. Okay, just as I'm speaking, you can see that we are now at 1,500. So if I want to take partials right here, you see the different options you have here on your trade. So this is the PNL, and then this is the amount of profit we are making, because we just have like $4 as margin right now. I started with $20, but I've been closing partials, taking partials until now. So if I want to take another partial, I just go ahead and click on the close option. So if I click on the close option, if you click on close, or all of your trade will be closed. So you use the closed option. Once I click on the close option right here, if I go ahead and close right now, I'm closing 100% of my trade. So I will use this slider and select. I want to close 50% again. I've been doing this like time without number. So I just go ahead and let this be highlighted here. If you have a specific price, let's say you want to do TP1, TP2 and all of that, and you want to close half of your trade or part of your trade at TP1, then you can just check this market option. It will be deselected. Then you can type the price at which you want to close. So when you get to that price, automatically your trade will be closed. So once I select half of my trade, I go ahead and click on confirm, and then confirm again. And as you can see, out of that $70, $30 something have been saved for us, and the trade is still running. So we now have $2.5 as our margin. And guys, you can see that trading is not really the capital, it's getting good entry. You can see right here that with $2 we are making about this, right? If with $2 we are making this. So if I've left the whole of the $20 right here, I would have made more money. But prevention, they say, is better than cure. So it's better I keep securing trades, I keep closing half of my position and allow the trade to run, right? Atola 9 bad pass. My people say Atola 9 bad pass. So that is how you keep securing, and the stuff is still going, right? Right now my TP is currently at $15. So what I can do, and stop loss is equally above entry. You can see this is our entry and this is my stop loss. So I can go ahead and adjust that by clicking the pencil icon in front of it. So let's see if this token will get up to $20. Instead of leaving our stop loss at 15, let's do $20 and see if this trade can get up to $20, right? And then our stop loss, now that we are at $13, we can move our stop loss to $10. So even if the trade close at that $10, we'll still be going home with some profit. And then you go ahead and click on confirm and confirm again. So this is how you can take partials on your trade using the Bitunix exchange, and then move stop loss above entering and secure your trade. So this is what I have right here. I will allow the trade to run. If you hit my stop loss, I'll still be going home with profit. If you hit my full TP, I'll still be going home with profit. With this, I will have less headache. I can go about my daily activities and see how this trade plays out. That is it for this video, guys. If you don't have a Bitunix account, remember that they are doing giveaway. They are doing a 20% cashback deposit bonus. So it means if you deposit like $1,000 right now, you get $200 trading bonus. So you can keep your $1,000 aside and then use that $200 that they have given you to start trading. And at the end of the day, whatever profit you make from it, you can keep 100% of that to yourself. So take advantage of that right now by using the link in the video description to sign up and claim your reward and start trading with the exchange. There are a lot of goodies about this exchange. So if you have not been seeing my videos, make sure that you follow up and see the videos when I publish them subsequently. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. If you are new, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that whenever I publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified.